Here is how to make over $500 by selling a single digital product every month. First, this website allows you to sell monetized digital products to a large audience. For example, this digital product is valued at $550, and 14 people are ready to purchase it. Another product is priced at $650, and 24 people want to buy it. On this website, when you upload your digital product, many people will place bids for it, and the product is sold to the highest bidder. Now, most of these products are digital platforms like monetized websites and apps. And here is how to start this business model in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Go to Google and search for Namecheap.com and get a beautiful domain name and a website host. Step 2. Once you've obtained a domain name and website host, you will receive an email that looks like this. The email contains your login access to cPanel. Use this information to log into cPanel and install WordPress. Step 3. WordPress makes it very easy to set up a lovely website quickly. You will use it to establish a functional website like this one and add 15 contents to it using ChatGPT and Quillbot. Step 4. At this point, your website is functional and ready. Go to google.com/AdSense and apply for monetization on the Google AdSense program. Sign up using a Gmail address and add your website for review. Google will review your new website, and once it is approved for monetization, you will receive an email that says, "Your site is now ready to serve AdSense ads." Congratulations! At this point, your site is now worth a lot of money. Step 5. Go over to Flippa.com and create an account, then upload your monetized website for sale. Many people are going to offer to buy it, and you want to sell it to whomever offers to pay the highest amount of money. Remember, your site is worth at least $500, so don't sell it for less. For a step-by-step practical guide with virtual assistance on how to get this done in just 21 days, click the link below to access the 21 Steps to Digital Monetized Asset program.